Have you been patiently waiting for your peace lily to bloom, but all you see are beautiful green leaves with no flowers? You're not alone. Many plant lovers think their peace lily has stopped blooming forever, but the truth is much simpler. Peace lilies don't need magic fertilizers or expensive products. They just need the right care at the right time. In this video, you'll discover 7 proven secrets that professional growers use to encourage peace lilies to produce stunning white blooms again and again. Whether your plant hasn't flowered in months or even years, these simple tips can make a huge difference. From lighting and watering to feeding and humidity, every small change helps your plant gather the energy it needs to bloom. Stay until the end, because the final tip is one of the most overlooked mistakes that prevents thousands of peace lilies from flowering. Let's bring your peace lily back to life with gorgeous white blooms. One, give your peace lily bright, indirect light. The biggest secret to getting a peace lily to bloom is providing enough light. While peace lilies are famous for surviving in low-light rooms, surviving and blooming are two different things. Low light keeps the plant alive, but rarely provides enough energy to produce flowers. Place your peace lily near an east-facing window or a few feet away from a bright south or west-facing window where it receives plenty of indirect sunlight. Morning sunlight is especially beneficial because it is gentle and encourages healthy growth without burning the leaves. If natural light is limited, consider using a full-spectrum LED grow light for 10 to 12 hours each day. Healthy leaves are like solar panels. They collect energy that the plant later uses to create flowers. If your peace lily has plenty of lush green leaves but no blooms, inadequate light is usually the main reason. 2. Water only when the top inch of soil feels dry. Proper watering is another important factor for blooming. Peace lilies enjoy evenly moist soil, but constantly wet roots can cause stress and prevent flowering. Before watering, always check the soil with your finger. If the top inch feels dry, it's time to water thoroughly until excess water drains from the bottom of the pot. Never allow the plant to sit in standing water because soggy roots may rot. On the other hand, letting the soil become bone dry repeatedly also weakens the plant. Peace lilies often droop dramatically when thirsty, but frequent severe wilting wastes energy that could be used for producing flowers. Try to maintain a consistent watering schedule based on your home's temperature and humidity. Healthy roots absorb nutrients efficiently, giving your peace lily everything it needs to produce beautiful white blooms. 3. Feed with a balanced fertilizer during the growing season. Flowers require extra nutrients, so feeding your peace lily regularly during spring and summer is essential. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer, such as a She-Jant She or Arshi-Jant formula, diluted to half strength every 4 to 6 weeks. Too much fertilizer can burn the roots and encourage excessive leaf growth instead of flowers, so moderation is key. If you prefer organic methods, worm castings or compost tea provide gentle nutrition that supports long-term plant health. Nutrients, like phosphorus, help encourage blooming, while nitrogen supports healthy foliage. A balanced approach ensures the plant grows strong enough to support flowers. During fall and winter, reduce or stop fertilizing because the plant naturally slows its growth. Feeding only during active growth helps maximize flower production. 4. Keep humidity between 50% and 70%. Peace lilies naturally grow in tropical rainforests where humidity is consistently high. Dry indoor air can reduce flowering and cause brown leaf tips. Aim for humidity levels between 50% and 70%. You can increase humidity by placing the pot on a pebble tray filled with water, grouping plants together, or using a humidifier. Bathrooms with bright windows often provide ideal conditions. Occasionally wiping dust from the leaves also improves photosynthesis, allowing the plant to collect more energy for flowering. High humidity doesn't directly create flowers, but it reduces plant stress, making blooming much more likely. A comfortable environment keeps your peace lily healthy and productive throughout the growing season. 5. Don't repot too often. Many people assume bigger pots produce bigger flowers, but peace lilies actually bloom better when they are slightly root-bound. If the pot is much larger than the root system, the plant focuses on growing roots instead of flowers. Only repot when roots are circling the pot heavily or emerging from the drainage holes. Choose a container that is only 1 to 2 inches wider than the current pot. Fresh, well-draining potting mix containing peat moss, cocoa coir, and perlite provides excellent moisture retention without becoming waterlogged. After repotting, give the plant several weeks to settle before expecting flowers. Slightly crowded roots often encourage the plant to shift from root growth to flower production. 6. Maintain warm temperatures year-round. Temperature plays a surprisingly important role in blooming. Peace lilies thrive between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius, minus 27 degrees Celsius. Cold drafts from windows, air conditioners, or heating vents can stress the plant and interrupt flower production. Avoid placing the plant where temperatures frequently fall below 55 degrees Fahrenheit, 13 degrees Celsius. Consistent warmth helps maintain active growth and encourages the development of flower buds. Sudden temperature changes also cause unnecessary stress. If you move your plant outdoors during warm weather, bring it back inside before nighttime temperatures become too cool. A stable environment allows your peace lily to devote its energy to producing elegant white blooms, rather than recovering from environmental stress. 7. Remove old flowers and yellow leaves. One of the simplest blooming secrets is regular pruning. After a flower fades and turns green or brown, cut the flower stalk down near the base using clean scissors or pruning shears. Also, remove yellow or damaged leaves. This improves airflow, reduces disease risk, and redirects the plant's energy toward producing fresh flowers instead of maintaining aging growth. Always sterilize your tools before pruning to prevent spreading diseases. Cleaning the plant every few weeks also allows you to inspect for pests like spider mites or mealybugs, which can weaken the plant and reduce blooming. Healthy, well-maintained peace lilies consistently produce more flowers than neglected ones. Now you know the 7 blooming secrets that can transform your peace lily into a healthy, flower-producing beauty. Remember, the keys are bright, indirect light, proper watering, balanced feeding, high humidity, avoiding oversized pots, maintaining warm temperatures, and regular pruning. Most peace lilies don't fail to bloom because they're difficult. They simply aren't receiving the conditions they need. Make these small adjustments, stay patient, and you'll likely be rewarded with elegant white flowers that brighten your home for weeks. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more indoor plant care guides, blooming secrets, and easy gardening tips. Thanks for watching, and may your peace lily reward you with its most spectacular blooms yet.